Do you want to know how to make outstanding thumbnails like this? I mean, these thumbnails are really good, and all was made by me, and I am going to show you a step-by-step method on how I do all of these thumbnails. Welcome back to Toll Media. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, my name is Tori Afumbom. Now, for you to pull out that stone, you need to go to an app called Canva, or you go to their website www.canva.com. Boom, we are there. Okay, so now for everything to be made easy for you, you need to check up here to see YouTube thumbnail. Now once you have entered www.canva.com, just when you see create design, just slide to the left, to the right, then you will see something like YouTube thumbnail. Continue there. Now they'll show you different types of thumbnail for you to use, for you to adhere yourself with. Okay, so now the choice is yours. Canva have a lot of thumbnails template that we can actually utilize, and we make for ourselves great thumbnails that can be used on our channels, you see. So I'm even confused. Let me choose this one. Okay, you see, very good, very free, nothing multi-purpose YouTube thumbnail. So all you need to do is just readjust the colors, the write-ups, and the pictures according to your video title, and that's all you need to do. So you can say, okay, so there are one by one. How to make YouTube thumbnail, and then you try to align them, and you discover that that's all. Just change this picture and try to put a good picture, or a picture that just rhymes, or you can search. You see, that's how we do to so you can pick that picture, and you see it rhymes. How to make YouTube thumbnail, it goes right. Then for you to save it, now you just hit save, then you say download. You see it as PGM, and then that's all. Your file will be downloaded directly to your gallery, and you can use them and upload on your YouTube video and make them very clean and very descriptive. I wish to see you in another video. Thank you very much. I love you all. Peace.